Hello everyone, you're welcome to FRANKA'S kitchen, where I share with you what I do in my kitchen. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're safe wherever you are and staying healthy. In FRANKA'S kitchen, I share with you whatever entered my kitchen, whatever I did with my kitchen, the ones I choose to share. That is all about my channel. Whatever I cook, that I choose to share with you, and whatever comes in. So yeah, right here I have a package. I actually saw this magazine, the weekly magazine that they normally give. They share it every week to show to you which shop has what you might like and which one is selling lesser or selling higher. It's just an information, like an advert magazine. And the one for Lidl came out, and I saw this spot. Oh my god, I was like, if I don't reserve this thing online, I will not see it on the shop. And it came, I was already opening it. In fact, I already opened the lid, the pack, as I was about, start. Then I remembered ring lights. I saw my ring light, so I had to rush and put on my ring light. So I'm gonna share this with you. I actually bought two things. This one, when you want to blend, maybe slice onion, slice your paprika or any veggies, is to draw it. You coming? Yeah. Shoot. I really like it. Okay. I just feel you put whatever you want to. Let's see. From what I have seen so far, see it here. Still with the blade, everything, to tell you that this thing is sharp. See in the way they packaged it. So this one actually you have to draw here. Maybe you see it one of these days when I use it. I think you draw it like this, and it dices whatever you want to dice or slice. Just pieces them for you. That's about that. What's the name? Mini chopper. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. Mini chopper, multi verkleinera. Yeah, this is of Deutsch. Then this is the reason. This pot, ne? It's a 5-piece pot. It has grilling. Oh, it has motor. We'll take that one out later. These are our yeah. See, it has 2 parts. Let me look at it. It has the pot, the grill fryer, then the cover, then this one for deep frying, then this one if you like if you want to boil more. Oh, I'm not showing it properly. Nah. Yeah, see why I bought it. If you see it, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the cover. This one is the grill pan, and this one maybe you want to boil moi. It's just to put it on that. It's like a steamer, and this one is for deep frying. So let's open it. Right, this one might wait. Aha, it's easy. Why? Okay. Yeah, I love this thing, I can't wait to start using it. This is the cover. This one, I think that's the one for boiling, for steaming. Still covered. This thing must be sharp. Anyway, What's this one for? Don't think. This is for the cover of the pot. Let's see. Like frying your dodo. Oh, you know, when you just put your dodo, it's like deep fryer. You know. I think I'm going to read it more to know what and what to do. Oh, see. You put it like this while it's frying. It's like you don't even need to start packing. It's just and it's out. One thing I've not seen that what really gingered me. I've not seen it all. The pot is light. It's light. Why? Well, anyway. Yeah, see why one of the things that okay, this one is heavy. I think a new one of this should be 20 euros. See it? So it's a 5-piece it's everything. So now let me tell you how much this thing. 30 euros. Yeah. Before I got there, if you see some things here on magazine, by the time you get there, if it's 7 o'clock they open, 7:30 you will not see that thing anymore. So I actually reserved reserved one online, so that if I get to the shop I don't see again. I'm gonna go straight online and get what I want, and that was what happened. So here are the things I bought. Yeah, the things I bought. So yeah, if this is not a good deal, I don't know what it is. Like, especially for this and the fryer, because if you could buy these pieces separately, there are lots of money. So this is what I wanted to unbox with you. Yeah, this one is for steaming. Just boil your corn or whatever. Oh yeah. So thank you very much for watching with me. Thank you for unboxing with me. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.